is my cutting yellow Wolfswing. Just asking a traffic control permission to get underway now for an on-time departure. I'm going to taxi out today, take off to the north over the island, and I'm sure most of you are aware it's quite a blustery day down today, so just as we take off and climb up to our cruising altitude, initially we might get a few little bumps and bounces, but those of you who come to Lanzarote quite often will know it's fairly familiar once the trade winds get going to this time of. Flight time today, just 3 hours and 55 minutes. The very best news back in East Midlands is that we can expect more of this sunshine and clear skies, although perhaps not as breezy, just light winds from the east expected. So, continuing the good news, I think we've got an excellent team in the aircraft cabin today. That team is led by Tim, of course. Tim and the team here for both your comfort. Once we get to the cruise yellow, we'll come back to you with a few flight details. Before we do that, though, I would like to thank you very much for joining us here at Thomson Airways.
Check seatbelt so it's turn it on.
Jacket is located under your seat or beneath your sensor armrest. When instructed, place it over your head. Pass the tapes around your waist and tie securely in a double bow on your left side. Do not inflate your life jacket until you are outside the aircraft. To inflate, pull the red toggle sharply downwards. If it fails to inflate, or if you need to top up the air, blow into this tube. A light and whistle are provided to attract attention. Additional life jackets and flotation cots for small children and babies will be given out by your cabin crew. If oxygen is needed, masks will drop down from the panel above your head. Pulling the mask down will start the flow of oxygen. Put the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Make sure your own mask is fitted before helping others. Ensure that your mobile is turned off throughout the flight and all other electronic equipment is off for takeoff. Please ensure luggage is not blocking the aisles or exits. Luggage can be placed under the seat in front of you or in the overhead compartment. Take care when placing items as when opened. They may fall out and injure other passengers. Please ensure your seatbelt is securely fastened, your seat back upright, and your tray table is folded away. We strongly recommend that you now take a moment to read the safety card before takeoff. This is in your seat area and shows the brace position, exits, life jackets, and oxygen. That's it from us. Enjoy your flight.
Thank you for giving the safety film your full attention. If you have any questions regarding any of the safety procedures, please ask a member of your cabin crew now.
and gentlemen, now that we're on our way and you're on the final part of your holiday, I'd just like to mention a few further safety points. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened for just a while longer until the captain has switched off the seatbelt sign. We do recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times in case of any turbulence, and if you plan to sleep, please keep your seatbelt visible so we don't need to disturb you. Thomson Airways is a non-smoking airline. Smoking is not permitted at any time. There are sensitive smoke detectors in all of the toilets, and keeping your safety in mind, we have a zero tolerance policy towards disruptive behaviour of any kind. We also ask that you refrain from consuming your own alcohol on board. We have 3 toilets available for your use, one at the front of the aircraft and 2 located behind row 32. Please use the toilet bins provided for the disposal of hand towels and nappies, as these can cause the toilets to block. For those of you who don't have a passport issued by one of the EU countries, you will need to fill in a landing card for UK immigration. Please let one of the team know if you require a landing card. Here at Thomson and First Choice, we're very interested to hear about your whole holiday experience, from the booking process, service in resort, and how you rate your Thomson Airways flight. Therefore, with that, for just a few minutes of your time during the flight home today, complete one of the customer satisfaction questionnaires.